Are you an introvert seeking a full-filing career that fits your personality and allows you to work in the comfort of your own home? Look no further, we have compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So first of all, we have Promos. As you can see, we have 5 jobs at home. We have Promos, we have Perfection, Survey Time, Mutual Opinion, Appen. So the first one is Promos. We have here Promos. Dive into promos.com. This is the homepage. We have here English, you select the language you want. As you can see, we have here various language, and we have here blog, help center, contact support, and join the community. In the middle here of the home, we have earn money, make an impact. Share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. And then we have here how it works. First, create an account, download our app on iOS or Android for free, and create an account using your email address to join the Promise Contributor community. Then explore our task, browse our task marketplace, and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Then finally you get paid. Choose the option to be paid instantly a PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is it for Promos. Then we have here Fairfiction.com, and this is the homepage. We have here Fairfiction is now part of the Angus team. Then we have here the phone number if you want to ask about something. Then we have email also. You can use the one you want to ask about something, or when we find a problem. Then we have here other things like our services. We have here various things. Then we have our UX methods, and we have other things. When we have customers also, you can choose the one you want, and the resources, and also about us. And if you want to find your account and link it to LinkedIn, so all you have to do is click over login and write your email and password. Then here we have UX resource consulting for your research and user testing anywhere in the world. Then if we scroll down, you have also here your UX research in a few days, quantitative or qualitative study with support according to your needs. First we write and then we rewrite and we conduct the study and finally we recommend. Then here we have other things like user experience, benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, UX design. So download our latest white papers. And here we have our full demo in video. We have here go directly to platform overview, user feedback, analysis, UX recommendation, as you can see. Then we have here our UX research and testing methodologies. First we have individual interview, focus group, quantitative survey, remote user tests. All you have to do is click over the one you want. Then we have here user remote testing via our user research platform. We can listen to users anywhere in the world. And here we have also our technology and expertise for your UX projects. A unique UX research platform available in 8 languages, and we have a team of experts in UX research and UX design. And we have here various information. So to more understand, all you have to do is read it and then you get started with Perfection. The third one here we have Survey Time. All you have to do is dive into surveytime.ea. As you can see, this is the home page. In the middle we have get instantly rewarded for every survey you complete. As you can see, if you want to sign up or first before choose the language we want, like choose English, Arabic, and other things. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over here and sign up with Google. Also you can use Facebook and also with email. So all you have to do is write your email here and enter your password. And here we have how does service time work. If you are looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you have reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. First, sign up for Survey Time for free. Then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Then finally start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. Here we have some benefits of survey time. First, we have low withdrawal threshold, surveys for you, then never miss a new survey, then bonus rebate amount. Then choose your reward, and finally survey time is global. Then here we have survey time. Retake free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. So what you have to do is go for start now and sign up and start earning money. Then the fourth one we have here paid mutual opinion. So all you have to do is dive into mutualopinion.com. This is the home page. Here we have a first information about mutual opinion. Let's know it together. First, here we have paid surveys, earn money online, work from home. Get up to $5 for each survey, and it's safe and easy payment. So first you choose your country. Here we have a various things, Africa, and you choose your country. Then we have here how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. First, you have to sign up, then answer, and finally get paid. And here we have something like earn money online. It's easy with mutual opinion. You can read it to more understand about mutual opinion. Then we have here payments for surveys is easy. First we have PayPal, Voci, and donations. And here we have work from home by doing surveys. And how much can you earn by working from home? As you can see. Then we have here answer surveys on desktop, tablet, or smartphone. So if you want to sign up, all I have to do is click over here and get start to sign up. It only takes 30 seconds, so it's very easy to sign up and get started. Then here we have also some ask questions and with answers. How to earn money on surveys? Sorry. We have here first site or online time job, then easy job for students to earn money, and we have also additional income for the elderly and the best paid surveys. And here we have 2 countries. So it's easy to earn money on mutual opinion. So get started and earn money. You have here the last one is Appen. All you have to do is dive into appen.com. We have here various things like optimize LMS, AI data, foundation models, platform, resources, and we have here research if you want something, and we have here get started. And also we have in the homepage here make data your differentiator. We have here other information like Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. Also, we have here Appen supports the AI life cycle. We have first create the right data, prepare usable training data, develop and deploy your models, evaluate model performance, and here we have some benefits of Appen: expertise, scale, quality, flexibility, and innovation. So this is it for Appen also. So this jobs not only offer flexibility and independence but also provides excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards an fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. This is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.